Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision, Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel right now. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I. And all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, you don't know, subscribe and make we raise up the platform as usual. See? And again, I must never let it be passed. You know, see it. We respect and honor all of those traditional subscribers from morning, you know, stick by the thing even when, you know what I say, things, yeah, so, you know, alright, we're talking about Vybz Kartel again, you know, see it, and it don't look like this is going to be the last time, you know, see it, because the last time we did tell ourselves, so we're not going to pay this no mind, because at the end of the day, if, you know, make no sense. You know, it don't make no sense to talk about something where crass, something where present itself to be below respective observation or response or anything like that. You know what I say? Like, if a clown is being a clown, you have to just laugh at the joke. You know, see, because that's what the clown is, a clown. You can't expect a clown to be a, you know? Yeah, that was just an analogy. It's not like I'm saying the world boss is a clown. I'm not doing anything like that. Anyway, what I'm trying to say is, yeah, one of the first interview where the man gave, you know, see, it's like there's a clear and present disdain, resentment for the Jamaican population as far as Vybz Kartel is concerned. You know, see, it might be conscious, or it might be unconscious. Maybe him himself never recognize it. You know, see, something I notice of late where nobody, if it's something where is not in agreement or in alignment with how this brother I think or perceive things, first thing him come out and start call you bad mind. Your bad mind, the bad mind, them this and them bad mind, that and thing like that. Now, these things are indicative to the character, the nature of a dictator, nature of a arrogant narcissist, where just feel like him always right. And nowhere in the world, nothing, under no profession, no trade, no existence, nobody's ever always right. You get what I say? There are times when we are going to falter. I just say go, or else you're not going to learn. That means that you're born with all of the knowledge where the earth offer. You see it? Because this is how you learn. By mistakes and things like that. Yeah, so it's unhealthy to actually go around and act like you are above reproach. Or above, you know what I say, consultation to say the least. Yeah. So, we have observed, say, one of the first interview with this guy I do. The people might ask him about his responsibility towards the younger generation, them and future and things like that in Jamaica. And the man vehemently deny having any role, you know, see, actively, proactively, or intentionally, you know, see it. You know, the man deny, refuse all of these responsibilities whatsoever. You know, even while the people them, the hosts of the program, they were characterized him as a national treasure, a Jamaican national treasure and things like that. You know, see, and irrespective of these honor and accolades, you know, the presence of all of these honor accolades, without even refusing these accolades, you know, you still embrace the praise You know, see, while denying the role and responsibility of such a honor. You know, see, because you have to take personal active responsibility for the future of any society where you live in, regardless of how your role is, our position and things like that. You know, see, everybody, it's the natural nature, natural order of things. You know, see, if you pass on good knowledge from your experience to the younger youths and where come, so that them can not make the mistakes or avoid the mistakes where you make. You know, see, natural order of things. See, so when we hear a man who's supposed to be a so-called quote-unquote national icon, I take away himself from them responsibility there, piss me off. I make it more evident that it's like a resentment towards the Jamaican society and a whole. You know, see, not the corrupt system will put him in a prison, and even so, the system will put Vybz Kartel in prison. When you think about it, it wasn't that corrupt, because if you stand on foundation, if you stand on reality, you know, see it and stop acting delusional. Yeah, one would have realized it's just a mishap in procedure. You know, see it, when the judge allow the jury to continue. This is the only grounds Vybz Kartel get upon. You can't say anything else because the Privy Council never addressed any other issue as grounds for dismissal. You know, see it? So it would be imbecilic for there, and I presume say this or that would have failed or anything like that. We can only assume these things. You know, see the court of the final arbiter as it proved itself the other day. You know, see it, Rasta? Now with all of these evidence in mind, yeah, we still have this deniability about we. Whereby we still look on it like say, oh, you know, so the man did guilty. Or no, it's not a matter of guilty or innocent. It's a matter of the intention, the character of the person, the likelihood. You know, see it, the evidence where a guy portray. Not made up, Rasta. We all see the video. We all see the video with a man with a pickaxe or half a pickaxe in his head, and him get instruction from the general how to carry out the act without, you know, you know me I say, yeah, everybody see it. Everybody hear the voice note them, we're not idiot. You know, see it, regardless of a guy wants to say for protect him character or him innocent. You can say what you want to say, we know as a local community, a local, unless you take off a stupid idiot. See, so you don't really have no reason in the eyes of ghetto people to have up the system. The system, at least can say the system attempt to do it fucking duty by the citizens of Jamaica. It attempt. You know, see it. We now got there going like so, well then, a guy is totally innocent and never involved her. It's just an angel this. I get persecution for him beliefs and them. It's kind of a persona there. The artist had taken on himself, like say, well then, the system hate him because him did have some other idiom that was totally in opposition to what the system believed. No, your portrayal, your behavior in a society and things like that was an endorsement or an embracement to hedonistic behavior. Another element of the same system or nature of the system where you are claim say or act like you was a victim to. You is not, you are a player. You know, the same system. You play your role and you play it right. Stop out there act like he's a victim. You're not no fucking victim. Stop do that. You behave, no, you behave like a boy. You behave like a boy. You know what that means, a prison. You know, see it. Come out and system this and system that, and like you wasn't like I want to you. Allow that. You know, see it. You have no responsible for youth and youth, or people for raise them children, because you say, hey, and as soon as you gone abroad, yeah, you there St. Vincent, almost every speech I see you give, Yeah, advise the children, yeah, warn the children, them. Prison and a bed of rose. Don't go to prison. Jamaica prison worse than the one up here. Yet still I warn them. I you know, see the need for warn the youth them at Jamaica. But the wickedness of the institution where you have to endure for 13 years. You say I leave it up to the parents. The very parents them, where you see them and acknowledge say, I have to work how many job and how many long hours. You don't see it. Where keep them out of the life of them picnic. You don't see it. You acknowledge these things. Yet still, you don't see yourself with a public duty. You talk about your children, them, that as you use your children, them yourself, your position as a reference. Again, like your position was the worst position on earth. You lock up in a prison, yes, but you still have a position of independence far better than a lot of Jamaican, than most Jamaican. You don't see it. And for act in denial of that is the, you know, it's the ultimate betrayal to the people in Rasta. For act like, you know, recognize these things. The very same people them way you acknowledge, say, if you work 2 jobs, the very same people them way support you, propel you and promote you to the point where you recognize you know when you eat food and you live independent. Them same people here put yourself in a competition with, in a comparison. I make comparison with how you send your children to a prison from a school from prison. A worthlessness that. The heights are worthlessness that. Some serious mental health issue are going on. That's a Rasta. You know see it? A guy, some high level narcissism. You know see it? And for the psychological aspect of the whole thing, it's mentality like these. Would I do things like that to a lizard? You don't see it? Yeah. So it's evidence again. And the fans them and the fake fanfare them, the people them were bored. The people them were lost a hope, lacking hope. And only see this guy as an iconic figure because he come from the ghetto and reach where he reach. And so said, Southern has become like an icon of what can be achieved from coming from nothing. You don't see it. Yet still, as I read, you know, and this is the reason why ghetto people act in denial. I'm blind towards the real nature and characteristics, the indefensible. Try defend the indefensible and all them rotted there. You see it? Yeah. But we need these guys to be responsible and take them role and responsibility in our life. And stop going like say, we not do no damage. You see, like we not create no chaos, no true chaos and disruption. You see it? Readily agree how much songs and tune influence the youths them. You see, but not prepared to acknowledge the facts. Well then, you have a responsibility for influence or, you know, reintegrate them youth somewhat. You know, see it. Everybody have a responsibility. It's only a sick parasite who benefit from the youth them ignorance. And poor people ignorance. Would I want to keep them in another position there? Because I'm smart enough in himself and know say any him disrupt the apple cart here, him food are gonna stop. Because if Jamaica people get educated and become aware of themselves per quarter, this guy here not have no fanfare, no support. In popularity I got tear down and dash away. Because poor people now go accept him. Poor people now go accept that. And poor people are going to see him as a pariah. He would have himself create enemy upon himself. Because poor people are going to see him as the guy who have them in a bondage and corruption for how long. And I make money off of it. Make a success out of it. You see it? So he might represent now himself as the ultimate evil to the people. Once the people get self-aware, educated, and have more value for themselves. You see it? So it is in these vampires' interests to maintain the ignorance. Because them not see no other way how them can eat food. You see it? Because truly, and no substance tune them guys sing to I people where I got be relevant towards the struggle of I people. No. The type of song where them guys sing keep I people as consumers. You know, see it? No intention to be independent. You get what me I say? We can't deny that Rasta, it is the truth, it is a fact. You know, see it? Any man come out of Jamaica and the narcissist characterize and class himself with Bob Marley. With the likes of Jesus Christ and all them rap. And them thing you have to wonder if it's not a madman. This I run around in the public. It's like say, cause GP mad some people, you know, I don't want to feel like a joke that night, you know. So a guy we all in there with the money and the easiest guy them for mad the guy them with the money and them whole heap of possession out the road, you know. Because them think about these things every day and miss these things. While the little ghetto youth, within a week, him figure out all of these things that we never have. Him don't have an intention to get these things. Hence the reason why him depend on the path or him depend and find himself in a position where him depend. Where him inner. You know, see it? You now get no ghetto youth in there, a fret for years. The rich man have to fret because the whole time thing them still out there. The whole time hype and happy life, nice life, still out there. So the likelihood for them thing they have an effect on a guy's brain. It's high and it's strong. And there's no, you know, better candidate or a likely candidate than an already existing narcissist, a delusional character. You know, see it? Now, we know our place there. As long as you can put food in a man's mouth or a woman's mouth and all them way, them will gladly disregard a lot of your weakness. You hear the train coming in the background there, all the way I'm standing up at the train track at 2 more and showing a train a pass it. Now, hear the train come and I'm not there. As I walk off the rascal, that train come. But, that's how it go. It stopped, luckily. So, you can go back, go. Go get a look on what it look like. Yeah. You see the tail light they gone. Way up, so. Way back up under the tunnel. Come down here, so. You see. And then continue under my little bridge here. Go see the head the right underneath the motorway there. With the stoplight. Where stoplight had up on train track. When I see the stoplight. See the traffic light. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. Narcissistic, I know the phone no one drop because definitely not see it again. It's gonna Spain or France or China if you don't mind sharp. Yeah. So these are the behavior where we can't stand, you know. You don't see the need for a national reform. But you see the need for Ghana, a country where have it shit together. Like St. Vincent. It have it shit together. You choose to go there and encourage and advise ghetto youths not to take up crime and violence and all of them things there. You know, brother, it's a hypocrite, man. You know, see, kind of a disgraceful hypocrite, but any idea, a guy thing is a guy thing. You know, see it? These things are things where we have to acknowledge. You know, see it? Because the public needs to know these things. Yes, I. We give thanks. Rastafari.